welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna take you jogging with me. I thought that I'm gonna make a jogging routine for myself because of the lockdown, and I have so much time on my plate now that I think I need to do some sort of normalcy and not just just do what I want to do in a day. Aside from the routine that I'm doing with the Jens, that's already there, but just something like a sporty routine. So we're gonna do that, or we're gonna start that right now. The smell of good coffee. Anyway guys, if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to click that like and that subscribe button down below. Only if you feel like doing it. Why not? Please do it. So as I said, jogging routine. So before I take you jogging with me guys, I'll have to pass by a drop point for a package to return because JP bought some polo shirts, long sleeve ones, and they don't fit anymore. He thought he was this small, but now he's this big. And same thing with me. Okay, so I'm now walking at Bruna guys. So this is where I'm gonna drop the package to return it. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I'm out of the shop guys. I'm gonna go and get some cake. Taking a trip at Tema guys to get some cake for our coffee later. So I'm picking Jens from the daycare now guys. I'm holding the GoPro because I left the bike mount in Texel when we were there a month or two ago. So yeah, this is not very handy, so I need to order a new one. Anyway, I'm picking Jens from the daycare right now. It's still early. It's still very early. He needs to be picked up at 5, but sometimes we miss him, so we pick him up early. And also in the morning, which is not normally done as well, we drop him a bit later than our schedule because yeah, we just want to keep him home just a little bit, unless I have to go to work. Hi guys, so I'm now walking to jog. Hey, say hello to our neighbor Lena. So I will take you along the neighborhood guys. So I'll probably just do 2 kilometer going straight ahead and then 2 kilometers coming back, so that's just 4. Okay guys, so this is my view. I always love these fields, all these empty fields in the Netherlands. It is 18 million people in this very small country, and you think that the houses are so close together. Yes, they are, but then there's still spaces like this in between. So I'm gonna cross the street guys. Hopefully there's no car, and I'm gonna relax here. Whew. Ah, yeah. Whew. Okay, so that's the end of the road for me, guys, and then I'll be going back. Whew. Oh, so just look at it this way, guys, how small Holland is. So Holland is only 41,500 square kilometers in land area. So it's quite small, very, very small if you look at the globe. And if you compare it to Germany, which has about 350,000 square kilometers, how small Holland is. So, and with a population of 18 million almost, so that's quite a lot. Just a little trivia. Okay, so I have to start moving again, guys, because it's getting chilly and very cold. Because yeah, I only have a thin jacket, and if I don't move, then the cold starts to get creeping on me. So I'm going to run again and go back home. So I get sweaty again, and that's the whole idea, right? And the leaves of the trees are starting to turn orange. That's autumn for you. I take a no, they don't like it. They don't like. I wanted to take a video of the dog, and the owner said, yeah, go ahead, but I think when I started sitting down so I can get a closer look, they didn't like it. So it's fine. I'm gonna be on my way. Okay, so I still need to cook some dinner because I left JP with Ian's after picking him up at the daycare. So still need to think what to cook. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. So if you're still watching right now till the end of this video, please don't forget to click that like button and that subscribe button if you feel like wanting to watch more of our videos in the future. Thank you very much for jogging with me today, guys. Till our next vlog, until the next episodes, have a great evening. Bye. Okay, so I can see the sunset already, guys. That means it's 6 o'clock and it's time to eat our dinner. Some of these people are really watching. What am I doing? Jogging with a GoPro in my hand or something. These are the older people, but for the younger